In this video, I'm going to address our hip flexors, which hip flexors are not actually a muscle, but a group of muscles that flex our hips. And with the sitting that we do behind the computer, in a car, watching TV, however you're positioned, these muscles tend to get tight or restricted in their range of motion. So when we stand up after being in a seated position, they tend to not want to let go. And some of those hip flexor muscles go back and attach to our spine, which can cause some lower back discomfort and some postural issues. So in these three exercises, I'm going to show you how we can help to hopefully maybe lengthen these muscles out to lessen the stress, the tension in these muscles, and allow you to move better with less pain. The first exercise is what I call a kneeling hip stretch. This position is just going to have one knee is going to be down, one leg out in front of you. If you need to, you can always have something beside you to help keep your balance. And on the back part of the lower leg that's down, you want that leg to be at least straight behind the knee and not turned in. So it's straight back. And then from this position here, you're going to actively engage the glutes, which are the glutes or hip extensors, and they're going to oppose hip flexion. So as you squeeze those glutes, you're going to feel some pulling up through the front of the thigh, up into the hip area. And you can also add an additional raising the arm up, which may bring it up a little further up into the waist area. And from this position here, you're going to hold that 10, 15, 20 seconds, and then just relax back down. Activate those glutes, squeeze, and reach. And then relax. Do that 3, 4, 5 times on each side. The next exercise for getting these hip flexors to stretch out a little bit, we're going to do a prone position, lying face down, and actively recruit those glutes to create hip extension. So using a rolled up beach towel, like a big beach towel, a small pillow, something that's going to help fill that space in below your hips. Face down, rest your hands, rest your head on top of your hands. You're going to bend one knee and then lifting up, holding 6 seconds, 8 seconds, and back down. And as you lift, you want to really try to activate the glutes. You'll feel some hamstrings working, but don't go too high to feel like your back's doing the work. You're just lifting up slowly, pause, and then back down. And do that on both sides. The next exercise is commonly referred to as a hip bridge or a pelvic bridge. Once again here, we're going to actively recruit those glutes, and we're going to bring our hips up off the floor. And you want your lower leg, you want your feet directly below your knees. And you're trying to squeeze those glutes. You're going to feel a little pull across the top of your thighs and up into your hips. Once again here, don't go too high to where you feel like you're arching your back. You're going to just bring it up, hold at the top, 5, 8, 10 seconds, and then back down. If you want to do it a little differently, a little modification, if you have a ball or a chair or an ottoman, just place it right behind your knees, the lower part of the leg, and then going up from here, squeezing the glutes, and it's helping to stretch out, lengthen those hip flexors, and back down. Plus this position here, maybe it keeps you from having any kind of hamstring cramps. Do it the other way. Okay? Hopefully those will help you with those hip flexors if you sit too much.